Hello everyone, this is Project Caritas and I'm Stefan Dimov, and in today's episode we are going to talk about who gives a crap? The toilet paper that builds toilets. Who gives a crap gives a crap about the environment and sanitation. That's why the toilet paper is made without any trees by only using environmentally friendly materials. And why they have chosen to donate 50% of all profits to a multitude of high impact partners to help build toilets in the world's most underserved regions. So perhaps it's time to stop wiping with trees and give your ass, your bum, your tushy, your donk, your booty, your bottom, your patootie the chance to impact the lives of roughly 40% of the world's population who don't have access to a toilet. Now let's find out what's in the box besides your nice bum. Maybe toilet paper? We have one row of bamboo blend paper towels, a blend of bamboo and sugarcane that promise to take on even the toughest cleanups. Pretty nice. Next we have a toilet paper made out of gold? No, I'm just kidding. That's Who Gives a Crap Premium Luxurious toilet paper made out of 100% forest friendly bamboo. Best present ever. Next, 2 rows of 100% recycled paper. And last, a box of 100% bamboo tissues. As I pointed out at the beginning, Who Gives a Crap really gives a crap about sustainability, because both the box and everything that was inside is 100% recyclable, plastic free and made out of environmentally friendly materials. And before I unwrap those beautiful toilet papers like a birthday present, I'll answer a question that you're probably asking yourself. Why the crap are they all packaged individually? First, the toilet rolls need to be wrapped in something to keep them moisture free and hygienic, right? Right. Second, to wrap 6 rolls together, which is the limit, would require a thicker heavy duty paper, which would effectively be the same as wrapping 6 rolls individually in thin tissue paper. So why not? And the third reason, which is pretty obvious, is that they look amazing. Time to open them up. No smell? Here is a toilet paper joke. Why couldn't the toilet paper cross the road? Because it got stuck in a crack. Because it's a toilet paper. Now let's see the 100% bamboo premium luxurious toilet paper. Ooh. Luxurious. Next, paper towels. And the last one, take the day off box. Yeah, that's quality stuff. At this point of the video, I guess your bum can't wait to start saving the world. Am I right? Perfect. In this case, head to Who Gives a Crap website, link in the description below, to order your good for your bum, great for the world toilet paper. Well, I guess that was everything from me and Project Caritas. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Okay, I really need to go to the toilet now.